Good day. In this video we'll be opening up master combination locks. We'll be opening up 3 different locks using 2 different bypass methods. This is the master M176. It can be opened up using a combination, or you can use a key that's provided to open it up. Or you can use a bypass method, which we'll do. Now this 176 is very much like the old 175 in that it uses a bypass tool to go in between the wheels and the body to force up the locking mechanism to release the shackle. And that is how we will open up this one. You take the bypass tool, you put it between any of the wheels, between the wheel and the body, so that until it goes down. You depress the shackle, and the shackle releases. Very simple. The next method is using this 875. The tolerances are too great to get a bypass tool in between the wheels and the body. So you have to use another bypass method, and that is by applying pressure, tension on the shackle while you're rotating each of the wheels, binding up each wheel and looking for a wheel that is loose and using that as the number for that particular wheel to open the lock. So we'll do that. We'll use this lock as a tensioning tool. While I hold on to this and try and rotate the wheels. That's bound. 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 Okay, this one is moving. See that? So that should be the first or the last number for this combination. Now we move to the next. Bound. Bound. Tight. 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 That's loose. So the third number should be 1. Move to the next. We have to pull really tight on the shackle, get a lot of tension. Tight, release the shackle to get so you can move the wheel. Each one. Tight. Okay, that's loose. So we need to know that number, and if these 3 are correct, we should be able to just go to each one while pulling on the shackle, and the lock should open. There we go. And the third lock is the new and improved 175D. On the package it has a D on it. It just doesn't say 175. The D has been improved, just like the 875 here. The tolerances between the wheels and the body are very, very tight, and you can't pull on the shackle, and you can't tension the wheels because you can't find a loose one on there. It's all tight, all tensioned up. So the way you do this is you have to get your bypass tool, and it's very difficult but not impossible to get the tool in between the wheels here, but it will only go in on the second wheel on the left side, and it works best by using your blade here that has a, if you look, a little angle bent on the end of it. Why that's there is Master Lock has put shields between all the wheels, so you can't stick this tool, if you can get it through there, back into the lock to get to the mechanism to pop this open. So you need to have this little hook on the end of it to go down between the wheels, and the hook will bypass the shield, allowing the flexibility of this tool to go around it and then back and unlock the lock. So that's what we'll attempt to do. It can take a long time, so be patient. Go in on the left side of the second wheel. And what you need to do is to get the blade to go as straight as possible, not at any angle, but as straight as possible into the lock. Let it go until it stops. When you're doing this, don't use the handle to push. You'll bend your blade, which I've done so many times. I forget. Grab a hold of the blade and use that to force it in. Once it's gone in there and stopped, you do the same thing. You push down on the shackle. I'll use the tabletop for this. And then down on the tool, and it opens the lock up. And there you have 3 Master Lock combinations and 2 ways of bypassing them. Thanks for watching, and please like and please subscribe. See you next time.